Let's learn English with Coffee with Karan.
And I gave them no attention. I gave them no power whatsoever. So I thought they, out of spite, had started this hate club. Now,
Out of spite. Out of spite means doing something to hurt or annoy someone, usually because you are angry or upset with them. For example, she broke the vase out of spite after the argument with her brother.
when your relationship is amazing and you're getting lots of love and affection, you feel great about yourself, your relationship suffers a little bit and your kind of self-esteem and your image kind of takes a beating.
Take a beating. Take a beating is an expression that means to experience a lot of harm, damage, or punishment, either physically or emotionally. For example, after the death of his parents, he took a beating at his uncle's and aunt's house.
First of all, I don't think she's actually affected by any of this.
But I know where Varun's coming from, and I actually do. I can feel where he's coming from and where he's coming from.
I know where you're coming from. The phrase I know where you're coming from means that you understand someone's thoughts, feelings, or point of view. For example, I know where you're coming from, but we need to consider all the facts before making a decision.
They've complained a lot about me during my school.
I don't think in just 2 minutes they've just completely. I've just completely understood Varun inside out now.
Yes. Inside out. Inside out is used to describe something that is completely understood or known very well. For example, she knows how to play the piano inside out, from basic scales to complex pieces.
No.
All right. Varun, what is your guilty pleasure?
Having cold pizza at 12:30 at night.
All right.
Guilty pleasure. A guilty pleasure is something you enjoy doing or consuming, but you feel a little embarrassed or ashamed about it. For example, stealing and eating candies from kids is my guilty pleasure, for which I often get scolded.
Okay.
And then I'll apologize a lot.
One fashion faux pas you committed in the past that you would never repeat again.
I commit fashion faux pas all the time.
Faux pas. A faux pas is a mistake or social blunder, especially when someone says or does something that is considered rude, inappropriate, or awkward in a particular situation. For example, she accidentally committed a faux pas by asking about someone's salary at dinner. Another example, wearing casual clothes to a formal wedding was a big faux pas.
No one looks hotter than her.
No.
And
But we could, the humongous, that's
Okay,
the
she's
hands
a
down.
petite
Yeah, thank you.
superstar.
Thank you.
Petite. If a woman or girl is petite, she is small and thin in an attractive way. For example, she was very petite and slim. I got mesmerized by her petite personality.
Katrina, when Deepika and Alia came on my show, I spoke about if there was any awkwardness because they've shared a relationship with the same man. And I still see that you're very magnanimous. I love your straight face while I'm asking.
Magnanimous. Magnanimous means being very generous, kind, and forgiving, especially when someone has wronged or hurt you. For example, the magnanimous leader forgave those who have betrayed him and offered them a second chance.
You're the strongest of that generation.
Well,
Let's think about
let's just say your resilience possibly gives you the reason to give us that advice.
Resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from tough situations or challenges. It's like being able to recover after facing something difficult, such as a failure, loss, or hard times. For example, people with resilience are able to stay calm and focused even during stressful times.
I would say now we have quite a good equation.
Yeah,
we have a good friendship. It's solid. But you're kind of putting that all in jeopardy right now.
Jeopardy. The term jeopardy means being in danger or at risk of something bad happening. For example, the hikers were in jeopardy when a storm hit while they were on the mountain. I hope you found the lesson helpful and enjoyable. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.